everyone, I'm Yashi Rao from class 8A and I'm here to present a thought of the day. So, today's thought of the day is develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. The meaning of this thought is that when you develop a passion to learn something, you will continuously grow.
Today's news headlines are as follows. DPS Gomtinaga Extension has celebrated International Literacy Day with great enthusiasm. India has been celebrating International Literacy Day on September 8 to reaffirm its national commitments to achieve the goals and objectives of literacy and express solidarity with the international community in its efforts to eradicate illiteracy. International Literacy Day or ILD 2021 will be celebrated under the theme Literacy for a Human-Centered Recovery, Narrowing the Digital Divide. Kerala is getting ready to receive the central funds for literacy programs as the southern state is now part of the union government's ambitious literacy drive Padhna Likhna Abhiyan. A new education and skills development center set up in response to the impact of lockdown during peak COVID-19 months aims at providing quality education to women to make them employable. Author Amitabh Ghosh's Gun Island and Rajkamal Jha's The City and the Sea are among the books contending for this year's Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize.
UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, a specialized agency of the UN that was outlined in a constitution signed November 16, 1945. UNESCO's founding vision was born in response to a world war that was marked by racist and anti-Semitic violence, to establish international cooperation and ensure peace.
The first session of General Conference was held in Paris from 19th November to 10 December 1946 with the participation of representatives of 30 governments. The history of UNESCO began with the aim of building peace in the minds of men and women through education, science and culture.
Of each civilization and culture. It functions as a laboratory of ideas and a standard setter to forge universal agreement on emerging ethical issues. The organization also serves as a clearinghouse for the dissemination and sharing of information and knowledge.
India is among the founder members of UNESCO. In India, taking into account our 5 major programs, our mission is to focus on a number of overarching objectives: attaining quality education for all and lifelong learning, mobilizing science knowledge and policy for sustainable development, addressing emerging social and ethical challenge, building inclusive knowledge societies through information and communication.
Coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, is a huge spread virus known to cause illness ranging from common cold to severe diseases and even death. Prior to the global pandemic, the Indian education system was quite effective. Real-time classes with teachers being in front of us led to crystal clear concepts. But after COVID-19 was declared a global pandemic, everything changed. Education shifted from classrooms to online classes. While some students liked it, others did not. Many students could not afford to buy internet connection and gadgets required. And teachers who are really new to this online teaching are handling it like a pro.
Teaching is a process in which one individual teaches or instructs another individual. The COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. As a result, education has changed dramatically, with the distinct rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Earlier, the students used to go to school and the teachers used to teach them in offline mode using the green board, chalk and duster. But nowadays, due to COVID, the way of teaching has changed. Students are learning by sitting at their home in front of their laptops and the teaching being visible on the screen while using all the online platforms for teaching. Thank you.
COVID-19 has resulted in schools shut across the world. Globally, around 1.2 billion students are out of their classrooms. As a result, education has changed dramatically. With a distinctive rise in e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely or on the digital platforms, results suggest that the online learning has shown increased retention of information and take less time, meaning the changes coronavirus have caused might be here to stay.